So, hello and good evening, teachers. First of all, thank you for joining us for Module 8 of Class Aarthi webinar series. In this session, we are going to be talking about the AI tools and features that Class Aarthi offers and how it can make learning much more interactive for the student, and also how it can make the work of teachers easier by creating like questions or quizzes and make the classroom workload much more lesser. And at the end, we are also going to have a fun little quiz. So make sure that you stay till then. And now I'm going to be passing over the stage to Aishwarya, who is going to walk us through the features. So Aishwarya, over to you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Riya. Hi, everybody. A very good evening to everyone. Really thankful to see all the teachers here in this session. What we will be doing today is trying to figure out how Class Sati can be used for different subjects, because I know every subject has their own needs and requirements. So based on that, we'll try to understand how you can create quiz and you can get most learning outcomes from the students for it. And then we can also see what are the additional features that can help you to add more value while you're trying to use the application, make your life simple, you know. So to begin with, I'll share my screen. Ria, just let me know if you are able to see my screen.
Sure. Yes, now it's visible.
Okay. So, teachers, as you know, that Class Sati is basically where you can come in, use it for teaching. You can use the application to generate your customized questions. You can also use the reports to get the information of what is the performance of each and every student in the classroom. This is something which we have already discussed, and we have been discussing it for a long time in our webinars. What we will be doing today is we will try to find out the different ways of using Class Sati for different subjects. So for example, let's say if I am a Hindi teacher, Marathi teacher, or if I am a Kannada teacher, Telugu teacher, what I should do, what are the features that will help me in teaching the concept to the students? What if I am a maths teacher? What are the different features I have that will support me in teaching maths to the students? Same with science teachers, same with our social studies teacher, for all the teachers. So that's where we will be taking you through each and every features, where it's basically for our subject wise information. So what I'll do is I'll open one feature and I'll show you how you can use it in different subject wise. So let me begin with one of the most click on the quiz option. You have own quizzes. So let me begin with language subjects, because this is where most of our teachers. So what if we do? So the process is going to be all the teachers simple. Just a second, I think there's some fluctuation and some time to load. Okay, so let's say if I'm a Hindi teacher, I will select the Hindi subject, and since Hindi content is something which is not part of Class Sati's offering, what you can do, you can generate your own questions. It's super. So you can go to the subject in the class, click on your profile, and the first thing that you will do is you will choose the language. So here, so I will select Hindi. What this does is application, it makes the entire application into Hindi subject. Now that I have Hindi subject with me, what I can do, I start creating questions. Quiz option, and now if I try to generate any questions using AI, using all the different features that we have, those questions are going to be in Hindi format. Okay, so I'll give you a quick example. Let's say if I go to the Genie option, I have web URL, documents, prompt. So web URL is what? If you have any online resource, it could be like a research paper, if you use a YouTube video, if you have any online URL which you're using as your teaching resource and you would like to use the same resource for generating questions and generate them. Okay, I can give you a quick example here. I'll stop sharing my screen and I'll share my entire. Okay, I think this is good. So let's say if I am a teacher who is teaching about mitochondria, I can simply get the YouTube video on my URL option. So let me show you how you can do that. This is a YouTube video. Now this YouTube video, I can actually use this video to explain the entire concept to the students. But what I can do along with that, I can use this to generate questions. So to do that, the first thing that I'll have to do is check whether or not this particular video has transcription attached to it. So I'll click on the description of the video, scroll down a little bit towards the bottom. There is show transcript option. Under the show transcript option, if you can see the transcription is attached in this way, you are good to go. You can simply copy the URL of this page. Okay, and then open ClassSathi, use the document URL option, paste it here. Just a second. Yeah, you can paste it here. Select the type of question you need. Select the number of questions, select the difficulty level, and then generate. So what is going to do for me, even if my video was in English, it's going to generate the questions for me in Hindi. I do not have to do it manually. So imagine, teachers, how much time you're going to save by following this procedure. It's going to be super user friendly. All you got to do is ensure your YouTube video has transcription attached to it, so that the questions can be generated through it. You can see the question, the options, the correct answer is also highlighted. It also gives me reasoning why this answer is correct. So the reasoning is also given there. Okay, so this is one. Another option is a document option. So you can click on this document button and you can click on my document. So if you have any document, it could be PPT, PDF, Word file, so you can use those to generate questions. So you just click on this plus button, upload your document, and the questions will be generated. What if you're using it in the classroom and you don't have your documents within the panel or within the devices that you have in your classes? What you can do in that case, so you have this mobile se upload from your mobile phone, so you can simply scan the QR code right from this particular panel, and then you can get the document uploaded. Okay, so this is one. Second is prompt. So the prompt option is quite useful, as all of you know. Since you are using it for Hindi, you can just give one particular keyword and then generate the questions. I think this way it's going to be very helpful if you are trying to test the students in terms of grammar, Hindi grammar, Kannada, Tamil grammar, if you're using that. So it is going to be super useful for you, because you'll have different ways of generating questions. So you can also do that. You have an option to upload media, so you have different images that will come in. You can also search for different images if you want. Okay, so all of that can be done. And once you have completed this question, I recommend giving marks to your questions. The reason why I say this, because not every concept is going to be, if we are trying to, prepare your students in terms of exam point of view, because I know, although you will do a lot of test and assessment and all of it, but at the end of the day, you are also worried how you can prepare your students for theoretical questions, for subjective questions. So in that case, if you assign some marks to your questions, you will also be able to give weightage to that particular concept, and based on that, you can identify what are the learning outcomes, who are the students you have to focus on. So this would be the easiest way for you to identify where the student needs more support, where the students are scoring high, which topic has more value, which topic has less value, which topic needs to be addressed, or remedial session needs to be done. So this is something you can follow through this marking system is going to support you in identifying all of those parts. Okay, so that was for Hindi subject. Anybody has any questions, any doubt on the create option? How do we create questions in Hindi or any regional language? Does anyone have question on that?
No, ma'am.
All right, great. So now that we know that create option is something which was already explained way long back, but it was just like a refresher. Let me take you to another feature that will be useful for you, which is this textbook option. So although Hindi textbooks are not...
Excuse me, madam. Excuse me,
Yes.
madam.
Yes, ma'am.
It is compulsory to take from the textbook only, or we can create our, according to concept, we can create our own also?
You can create as per your own concept, ma'am. So
Yes, yes.
under class 30, there is no restriction for our teacher.
Okay. Just only for the knowledge of the children, no? Not only from the textbook. Textbook, anyhow, the children,
Proper way
we
to
will be
do it.
explaining, they'll
The
be
reason
knowing.
why, because you are the teacher, you know which question to ask, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
it's better that you customize it according to your liking, and you can take
Okay.
assessment accordingly, ma'am.
Okay.
There are a couple of features that will help you to select pages, and that's what I was telling you. So if you prefer taking assessment right from the textbook, then you can also upload your textbook within the textbook option here. So
Yes.
I'll just reshare from here. So you can just click on this book-like icon. It's called as library. So you can open that, and there's this upload button. You can upload your textbook, and you can create questions from there as well. And I think this particular textbook feature will be quite helpful if you are a science teacher or a maths that comes from... Let me go back to the English language. Yeah. So exam and all, you'll be able to see questions that will come in from the questions that are added in within the textbook, right? So here, class 30 has a default NCERT CBSE textbooks added. If you go to the library option, select the textbook option, you will see standard textbook added by class 30 team. You can use these, or you have an option, my school textbook, wherein you can also add your own textbooks. So you can see I've added different textbooks over here, and I can use those to generate questions. So let me quickly show you how you can do this. So this is something which you can use for all the subjects, not restricted to language subject only. If you want to use it for science, maths, EVS, feel free to do that, because the more customized assessments you're going to do with your students, the more closer you're going to get in understanding what is happening in your class and what exactly is the status of your students' understanding, right? So this is one way. I'll just quickly open a chapter. So what all you can do if you have a textbook uploaded, that I'll explain to you. So you can zoom in, zoom out of the textbook, because I remember a couple of teachers love using their textbook. So instead of carrying a bulky book in their hand in every class, they can simply upload it, and they can come in the class and open this pages and show it to the students. They also have a pen option where they can annotate, explain a concept to the student. All of that they can do. There is a Genie option given here as well. So if I click on the Genie button, what it does, I can see all the pages of that chapter at the left column, and I can select those pages and generate question. And I know nobody is able to complete one chapter within one chapter within one lecture. Doesn't happen. I don't think it has ever been done, right? You will have to repeat a concept again and again, and it will take around 2 to 3 lectures to complete a chapter. So what you can do,
Excuse me, madam,
can
that will
click
be
on this
subject in science center. It will take 2 to 3 days, but Hindi 1 day it is enough.
Yes, ma'am. 1 day would be enough. So in that case, you can simply select the pages which you have completed. That's what I was telling you. So let's say if you have completed 2-3 pages of this textbook. So you can click on those pages which you have completed, and you can see I've clicked on the capture page button and clicked on the confirm button. And if I don't want any page, I'll just remove it. So the pages are added here, and I can ask Genie to generate a test for me. I can increase the number. Let's say I need 5 questions as of now. So, and I need MCQ questions. I needed any particular language. I can also select the language as well.
Ma'am,
And then
excuse me, ma'am. Can you please do it one in Kannada language? Because I tried in last class, but I didn't get questions in a Kannada language. Only it is in English. Pages are what we presented, captured is in Kannada language, but what questions I framed, it is in English language. Can you please do it once?
So, ma'am, this will be only happening if you have not changed the language into Kannada.
Setting.
So, yes, you'll have to go to the setting first. Let's say if I click on, let me search for Kannada option. So this is Kannada. Now our application is in Kannada, right?
Okay.
So now if I
application, it will get changed.
Yes, according to the app. Because what happens is, ma'am, Genie is able to understand the language of the application. Whatever language is there on the application, the questions will be generated accordingly. So I'll give you a quick example. Let's say if I select this one page.
Okay, fine.
And so you can see over here also, it says Kannada if I'm not wrong. And then generate. Okay, ma'am?
Yes,
Hello?
ma'am. I understood. Yes, I got it.
So that is the reason why I was telling earlier that our teachers know how to create questions. There is no doubt in that. But there are a couple of features that are hidden. That's why it takes little time for them to understand. So it's basically changing the language for any language, any regional language. So feel free to change the language and you can create all type of questions from there. Okay,
thank you. Okay.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Now that we have created the questions, we have understood how to make use of questions. Let's see what are the additional features that are inside the application that will help you to teach or maybe support you in explaining particular subjects, right? So let me show you the whiteboard.
Can you please explain how to upload the video?
Video for what, ma'am?
Related lessons.
You need a YouTube video related to lessons?
Yeah, lesson based videos. If I want to upload, how to upload it?
You want to upload it on a question, ma'am, or you want to upload it on a
particular lesson?
Okay. So here, if you go to the library option, ma'am, there is a class note option. Okay. If you already have a saved video with you, you can just create a new category and say the recording of a particular chapter, whatever. Let's say chapter 1. Right? So I have this category. I can click on this upload button and upload the video. Now this video will be on your application. This is one way. If you want a video attached to a question, I'll give you a quick example. If I'm creating a question and I would like to use that question, I would like to show a video also while I'm asking the question. So that video also I can attach to a question using this upload media button. I'll just wait for the question to load. Yeah, there you go. So now if I click on the upload media button, I get images and videos option. Okay. So whichever video feels more relevant, I can select that video and that video can be added within the question. If you do not want to use the videos suggested by this Genie, then you have the upload button over here and you can upload your own videos from here as well.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Thank you for your question. So that's the video option that we were discussing about. Now, lecture I was explaining was this whiteboard option. So whiteboard is predominantly focused on mathematics, and although you can use it in all the subjects, there's no problem there. You can also type any text and translate it. Let's say if I type trees here, right? And if I select Genie option, Genie is going to help me translate it to another language. Sorry, I clicked on the text button. Yeah. Let me translate it again. Right, so this can be translated into any language if you like. So you can use that, scan that, and get all the different information that you would like. We have geometry option here where you have ruler, protractor, compass. So these are a couple of tools which you can use as a maths teacher. There is a compass as well. So if you're trying to explain the radius of a circle, so you can also draw the circle using those tools. We have diagrams, so there's a pie chart, especially if there is somebody who's teaching social science or EVS and they would like to explain a flow of life or some chart. So you can also create a chart from here. Then we have class kit, which is basically your classroom activity kind of a icebreaker kind of activities. And then STEM, which can be used for mathematics and science subjects. So we have visualizer here. This is quite useful for our maths teachers where they would like to show student how graph works. There are a couple of different graphs as well. There is a 3D graph, we have probability, scientific calculator. All of that is added here. So you simply put your input, let's say x equals to y, and you can see the line is drawn. And if I add another equation here, let's say x equals to 3, and I'll be able to show the intersecting point to the students. I can also change the graph, the type, the way I need. All of that can be done, and I can also insert the graph on the page, right? So when it's there on the whiteboard, it's super easy for me to explain how this graph was created, where the excess is, and all of that can be explained very easily. Then we have elements. This is for our science teachers who would like to explain chemistry to the students. So we have this different elements here. You can select any element, and those element can insert it on the screen, and you can annotate and explain each and every element according to your liking. Okay, so you can also do that. And then lastly, we have this calculator. I think this is something which I've already shared in a previous session, but I'll also share it today. So this is a basic calculator. You can also make it advanced by using all those different costands, trigonometry options. But we also have a play button here. Now this is something which you can use as like a icebreaker. So if your students are super tired, and if you can sense that nobody in the class is listening to you, so you can just bring in random 2 students in the class, and you can ask, one student can stand here, another student can stand here, and they can start answering question. So you can see when the student gets a correct answer, that the toggle of the student, it moves forward. So based on that, you'll be able to get a winner, and that's where students feel a little bit more excited. So you can also do that in the class and improve the environment of your class. Then we have the content option here. So this is if you are willing to use the concept cards and the videos that are given by Classati team. So you can click on the content option. You will be able to see all of the content here. You can see there's a concept card, right? And with the concept card, we have a related YouTube video attached. So you can also explain the concept and see a YouTube video on it. So that is also available. So that was our whiteboard, which can be used for different subjects like English, Math, Science, and Social Studies in a very easy way. And you can also use it for languages also. Okay. Now the last feature I would like to show you is under a quick tool, which is Ask Genie. So I know a lot of our teachers are using the application and they have hardly explored this quick tool option. So you can see this Ask Genie button. What it does, it will tell me, how can I help you today? So you can say, how do I create a quiz set? So it will give me all the different steps that will help me to understand how do I create the quiz set. So teachers, if you feel that you have forgotten the steps to follow anything, you can simply ask the Genie and it's going to help you. Let's say if I ask Genie how to create a lesson plan. Okay. So it will tell me how to make a lesson plan. So these are the steps. I am at the home screen. I need to go to the library option, and from there I can create. And the reason why I was mentioning lesson plan earlier is because under the library option where you have the lesson plan, you can make the most out of it for all the subjects. So as a teacher, if you feel that you want a structural flow to your explanation, you can follow the lesson plan over here. I have already shown the lesson plan in a couple of webinars, but I'll also show it today again for our new joiners. So the lesson plan of Class Sathi works in 5 E's of learning. So you can see this is the topic that I'm trying to teach today, scientific thinking and processes. So I will engage with the student. I will tell them what are we going to study today. We'll explore something about that particular concept. We'll do a group experiment. We'll discuss the observation of that experiment. Then after the conclusion of that experiment, I can tell them what the entire concept is about and what it is. And after getting the information, I can also tell them that how this particular topic is relevant to the real world. And after understanding all of that, I can ask them what are their questions, what are their doubts, and I can also play a quiz right away. So imagine explaining something in a very flow manner where you are not only covering the theory, but you're also covering the practical part, you're also covering the logical part of that particular concept, and then you play a quiz. So it's going to help the student not only grasp your concept faster, but also they can relate to a lot of things, like okay, maybe this particular concept I can see in real world too somewhere, right? So that's the lesson plan. And to create a lesson plan, of course the process is very same. Click on the add lesson plan button. There's a genie button over here. Simply give a prompt on any lesson concept. If you have any supporting documents related to that concept, you can also upload those, and then you can click on this generate option. So what it does, it creates around 13 to 14 slides for me on that concept, and it's going to be super easy. I can edit each and every sentence given on the lesson plan. I can also change the image. I can also add image. I can add videos. I can change the template. You have all the different features here, so you can customize the lesson plan just the way you like it. Okay. So that was the lesson plan option. The reason why I've showed this again is because I would like you to use it for your Hindi subjects, for your English subjects, English, maths, even science. I think all the subjects will get the most out of it. So you can use the lesson plan. And of course, there are the existing class notes where you can upload your subject-wise notes and share it with the students if they like. So that is there. So before I show you any other features, teachers, I would like to quickly remind you that Ria has shared the attendance link in the chat box. So feel free to use the link and give your attendance, and let me know if you have any questions, any doubt. Okay. All right. Does anyone have any questions, any doubt for what all I've explained today?
Yes, madam. I have doubt, madam.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
have
I can hear
doubt,
you.
madam. Like we are having suppose 3 sections.
Okay.
Grade 4, we are having 3 sections. To create a question, minimum 10 questions we want for each class. But the same question if we want for all 2 other classes also, means we are not having time. In that situation, what can we do?
Great question, ma'am. So imagine if you have already created a quiz. The created quiz is saved under the My Set option. Here you have a feature that allows you to share the quiz with your different sections. So right now I'm in 7th B. Okay. Under 7th B, I've created the quiz in 4th of May, sample quiz, I've named it. I can click on the menu button. There is a share button here. Now if I share, I just need to click on share with my school only option. Okay. So once I click on this, what will happen? It will come under the discover button of the other class. So if I go to 7A,
so same question will be for 3 classes.
Yes. But it will come under discover option, ma'am. And it will be visible in this in this way.
Okay, madam. Because it is getting a problem for typing each class sections. We are not having so much time.
Correct, ma'am. And we have already have a feature for that, so do not have to worry. It will be easily.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, thank you. Yes. Do we have any other question?
Hi, Shurya. Harshita ma'am was asking that do they need to scan the textbooks and upload in the library?
Yeah, if they can scan the textbook and upload it, it's they can use that. They can scan the textbooks. Yeah.
Can it be uploaded in PDF format? Like it needs to be uploaded in PDF.
Yeah, so the reason, ma'am, Harshita ma'am, if you can unmute and answer my question. So you have the hard copy, like a proper book, right? You do not have an PDF for your textbook, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So in that
Yes,
case,
ma'am.
you can scan the textbook. You can make the soft copy of the textbook by scanning it, or if you have some time, you can take screenshots of your textbook and make that screenshot into a PDF and upload it over here, ma'am, under the textbook option.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you
So-
please show how to upload, ma'am? There was technical glitch, so I could not, like 2 or 3 minutes I missed the session.
No worries. So it's very simple, ma'am. You go to the library icon here on this bookmark icon. You will be at the textbook option here. You will see My School's textbook. Here you can click on the upload file button and
On screen
Yeah.
sharing, it is not visible, ma'am.
is my screen not
Yes.
visible here?
No, your screen
Now
is
it is.
Is it visible now?
Yes, it is visible actually.
Yes, ma'am. Now it is visible.
All right. So, ma'am, you will click on this library button. Okay. Over here, there is a textbook section. Under the textbook, you can see Class Sathi's textbook, and then you can see My School textbook option. So you can click on that, and there is a upload file option here, and you can upload your textbook over here.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Okay.
you, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you, Harshita, ma'am. Yes, I can see there are a couple of teachers who are raising their hands. Yes, teachers. Let me come back to the screen. Ma'am. Yes, Sashi, ma'am. Please go ahead.
No, same that problem only I was having. Like we are having the sections. No, sometimes we are missing the classes because we are not able to create the question for 3 classes. We have shortage of leisure substitution. Sometimes we'll get leisures not be there. But that problem
Yeah.
you have solved me.
All right. No worries, ma'am. Thank you for your question. So you just
Okay.
click on the share button and you'll be able to get
Okay,
it
okay.
done.
We
I
have to go
also
to the discover one will be same will get.
Yeah. So you will create your quiz. Let's say you created a quiz in 7th B. After creation, the quiz that you have created will be saved under the My Set button. Okay. I
Okay.
mean, my
Okay.
created you. And if you click on it will come under the discover option of that particular. So now if I go to the discover, let's say I logged in into 7th A and I see this quiz that I've shared earlier. I can click on it, I can play the quiz. Okay, ma'am? So now that we do not have any questions, any doubt, I'll stop my screen sharing here and we'll just take some pause for 2 minutes. And teachers, now that all of you have taken your valuable time and you have spent around an hour with us, we don't want to make you feel bored and have a boring session with us. So we have created a quick quiz that will help you to feel a little bit more energized. So what we'll do is Ria will be sharing her screen, and there are a couple of riddles questions on Class Sathi. So based on the riddles and the answers that you'll be giving, we'll be sending out gifts to those teachers as well. So you can keep your chat box open and keep your eyes on the screen and ensure that you give your answers correctly so that you will get the prize as well. Okay. So Ria, please share your screen.
Yes.
And we'll start our quiz session now. Teachers, I hope you are ready now. We have a quiz going on. So I would like all of you to pay attention to the screen. So this is the first section to the quiz. Can I get a thumbs up or a reaction to understand if all of you are paying attention to what we are saying? Okay, I can see a lot of teachers. Great. All right. Ria, go ahead.
Yes.
So this is our question number 1. It's a riddle. So what comes once in a minute, twice in a moment, but never in 1,000 years? So teachers, okay, Harshita ma'am says it's M. Okay, we have another answer that says M. All right. So we'll be waiting around 20 seconds per question for the teachers to share the answers because of the time constraints. We are already a little bit late today. All right. So yes, teachers, all of you are correct. The correct answer is M. That's right. We have gotten a lot of correct answer at the chat box. Yes, Sashi ma'am, that's correct. So our next question is, what is the name of Class Sathi's AI assistant? It's super easy. I know all of you already know it. Yes, and the correct answer for this question is your beloved Sathi Genie. So Sathi Genie, yes, it's going to help you to do a lot of things in a very automated way, and there are a lot of more capabilities that we are going to unlock of Genie in a couple of days. So looking forward to that as well. Yes, our third question is for section 2. I follow you I follow you everywhere during the day but disappear at night. What am I? I think Ananya ma'am has seen all the answers in advance. She is replying to all of the questions the fastest. Okay, we have shadow and sun.
Shadow only.
Shadow, okay. Let's see if Sashi ma'am's answer is correct. And the correct answer is, you are right, ma'am. It is shadow.
Shadow.
Yes. Okay, let's go to the next question. Science stimulations can be accessed from both the library and the whiteboard in Class Sathi. Is it true or false, teachers?
True.
True.
Yes.
Can I get the science stimulations in library also and on the whiteboard also? Have anyone experienced it? Have anyone tried to explore it? Okay.
Yes, it's true.
Actually, a lot of teachers have shared true. Let's see what the correct answer is. That's correct. It is true. So you can use the library option and the whiteboard option to access the experiments, the science stimulations that we have. Okay. All right. Our next question. This is section 3. It's a riddle. I am an odd number. Remove one letter and I become even. What am I? What number am I? Sorry.
0.
0, 7. We have a couple of people who are saying 7 also. Some of them are saying 0. So we have two different options now, 0 and 7.
Then both
Okay.
are correct, ma'am.
Okay, I'll reveal the answer.
Yes, the correct answer is 7.
Oh.
Yeah.
On to the next question.
Okay, so that's a true or false question again, teachers. The geometry feature in the whiteboard includes only the ruler and the protector. Is it true, teachers?
False.
Is it
False.
false?
False.
Okay.
False.
Why do you think it is false, ma'am?
Because
Is there any other feature along with these two? Yes, that is correct, Harshita ma'am and Sujita ma'am. Both of them has, okay, Priyanka ma'am has already shared as well. The third option that comes along with the geometry option is compass. Really happy to see that all of you have explored the whiteboard so nicely and you guys know where the features are. It's amazing. Okay, let's reveal the correct answer. Yes, that's true, teachers. All of you are right in this case.
Okay. So this is the last question.
Yes, teachers, our last question. So the last question goes, I am like a smart helper inside Class Sathi. I answer teachers' question and help them. Use features easily. What am I? Okay, so teachers, I'll give you a quick hint. This is something which I have shown you today within the session only.
Genie only.
Yes, it is Genie, but it is a feature of Genie, if you remember.
Sathi Genie.
We'll wait for all the teachers to answer. I'm giving extra 10 seconds for teachers to think on this. Okay, teachers, the correct answer is Ask Genie. The feature I showed you on the quick tool, where you can ask Genie what I should do, how to create a quiz, how to create a lesson plan. All these features and their steps will be there, so you do not have to worry whether it's late at night and I don't want to disturb Aishwarya at this point, right? This will happen with you. So in that case, you can simply drop a message to Genie how to do this, and it will tell you how to use that feature. Okay. So that was the Ask Genie option. And that was the end of our quiz that we have created. And we'll be doing these sessions again. And it will be more insightful in the sense that we want you teachers to enjoy the application. And today when I heard a couple of feedbacks, I felt really I felt bad because as an application, we do not want to be burden on our teachers. Our name itself, it says we are the Sathi, right? We are class Sathi. So we want to be your friend. We want to be something that is, a place where you feel happy to use. So we'll definitely work towards it, and we'll ensure that all your
actually,
the
I
teachers.
want to say one thing, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, in the class Sathi, I mostly like the Genie. I like
Yes.
the Genie.
I am sure most of our teachers who are attending this session are a big fan of Genie, and this is going to help not just you but your students also, because Genie's
yes.
question. Sometimes you might face some challenge, but I'm sure not all the
Yes.
time.
Yes,
In those times where everything goes well, I'm sure you might have the best classroom engagement you have ever had, because the student have a lot of fun giving answers through the clickers.
yes.
So
That's why we are, which way we are facing the problem. share you to solve that problem. Well,
Yes.
just because of the lots of students I enjoy in this class Sati, that's why I share this such type of problems where we are facing. If we
Exactly,
solve that problem, it is more useful for us.
Absolutely, I agree with you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you for session, ma'am.
So much. Thank you so much, everybody. With this, I'll conclude this session.